Medicine, a word that conjures images of healing, hope, and compassionate care. Yet, behind the sterile walls and gleaming instruments lies a past shrouded in darkness. A past where ignorance reigned, and suffering was often the cure. This is the haunting story of medicine's evolution, a journey paved with good intentions and devastating consequences. For centuries, the human body remained a mystery, its inner workings misunderstood and feared. Disease, a terrifying enigma, was often attributed to supernatural forces or an imbalance of humors. This lack of knowledge paved the way for practices that would make even the most hardened individual shudder. Imagine a time when opening a vein was the preferred method of treatment, or when bizarre concoctions promised health but delivered death. This is not a tale for the faint of heart. It is a stark reminder of how far we have come and the constant vigilance needed to prevent history from repeating itself. Join me, dear reader, as we delve into the shadowy recesses of medicine's past, uncovering the stories that shape the world we live in today. But be warned, within these pages, you will encounter the ghosts of those who suffered, their silent screams echoing through the annals of time. Are you ready to face the darkness? The medieval period, often romanticized, was a time of immense suffering. Disease was rampant, and those tasked with healing were armed with little more than superstition and crude instruments. Bloodletting, a practice rooted in the ancient belief of balancing bodily humors, reigned supreme. Sharp blades, often unsterilized, pierced veins, releasing precious lifeblood onto the floor. The weaker the patient, the more blood was drawn, a misguided attempt to restore balance to a ravaged body. Leeches, those slimy creatures of the night, were employed for similar purposes, their insatiable appetites a macabre solution to a multitude of ailments. But bloodletting was just the tip of the iceberg. Medieval apothecaries, those early pharmacies, overflowed with remedies that would make your stomach churn. Concoctions of ground animal parts, mercury, and even human remains were prescribed with alarming regularity. The logic, often non-existent, driven by folklore, religious beliefs, and a desperate hope for a miracle. Section 4. The Shadow of Unethical Experiments. Section 5. Hope from the Battlefield, the Rise of Ethical Nursing.